Hungarian cuisine is a unique and delicious culinary tradition that has been shaped by centuries of history and cultural influences. With its bold flavors and hearty ingredients, Hungarian cuisine offers a rich and satisfying dining experience that is worth exploring. In this article, we'll take a closer look at Hungarian cuisine, including its traditional dishes, ingredients, and cultural significance. Traditional dishes. Hungarian cuisine is known for its rich and hearty dishes, with many traditional dishes featuring meat, potatoes, and paprika. Some of the most famous and popular Hungarian dishes include goulash. Goulash is a soup or stew that is made with beef, potatoes, onions, and paprika. It is often served with crusty bread and is a staple of Hungarian cuisine. Paprikash. Paprikash is a dish that is made with chicken or pork that is simmered in a rich paprika sauce. It is often served with dumplings or noodles. Langos. Langos is a popular street food in Hungary that is made with fried dough that is topped with garlic, sour cream, and cheese. Dobos tort. Dobos tort is a famous Hungarian dessert that is made with layers of sponge cake and chocolate buttercream. The cake is topped with caramelized sugar and is a popular treat during special occasions. Chimney cake. Chimney cake, also known as kurtushkalach, is a sweet pastry that is made by wrapping dough around a wooden cylinder and baking it over an open flame. The pastry is then rolled in sugar and cinnamon and is a popular street food in Hungary. Influences on Hungarian cuisine. Hungarian cuisine has been influenced by various cultures throughout history, including Turkish, Austrian, and Slovakian cultures. One of the most significant influences on Hungarian cuisine is the country's geography. Hungary is a landlocked country with a temperate climate, which has influenced the ingredients that are used in Hungarian cuisine. Meat, potatoes, and root vegetables are staples of the diet, with beef, pork, and chicken being commonly used in dishes. Another important influence on Hungarian cuisine is the country's history. Hungary has a long and complex history, with the Ottoman Empire, Austria-Hungary, and the Soviet Union all having a significant impact on Hungarian culture and cuisine. For example, Turkish influences can be seen in dishes such as paprikash, which features the use of paprika, a spice that was introduced to Hungary by the Ottomans. Ingredients in Hungarian cuisine. Hungarian cuisine is known for its use of hearty and flavorful ingredients. Some of the most common ingredients in Hungarian cuisine include paprika. Paprika is a spice that is a staple of Hungarian cuisine. It is made from ground peppers and is used in a variety of dishes, giving them a distinct smoky and sweet flavor. Meat. Meat is a key ingredient in Hungarian cuisine, with beef, pork, and chicken being commonly used in dishes. Some traditional dishes, such as goulash, are made with beef or pork. Potatoes. Potatoes are a staple of Hungarian cuisine and are often used in dishes such as paprikash and stew.